It's the hammer! He's real! Dudes, take my picture!
Secure the property. Feed Grandpa blood. Hunt and collect blood from victims. Execute victims.
Yes, Perez, thank you. I can't read. Okay. I don't even know what my special ability is. I have to play around with this shit.
Oh, that's Leatherface. He's already on me.
He's got you already?
No, he doesn't have me yet.
Bro, I'll run to you. Hold on. Oh, I hear him. I hear him.
I wonder where this
Oh, he might go to that door over there. If someone's opening the door.
I got out of there.
Okay. We gotta try to meet up, bro.
Yeah.
I got 2 bottles of health.
A few moments later.
Where are you?
I see you. Don't do that. Don't go down. Go down here. There's a crawl space.
No, I know. I was
Okay.
gonna see if I could disarm it, but I don't know. Where are you? I can't see anything. Oh, this one?
Do you need to take health or something, or? Look, here I am.
I literally don't know where you are. Come to me.
Oh my fucking goodness, you're blinder than fuck. I see you. Alright, I'm going through this crawl space. Okay, there's 3 of us together. We're good, man. Uh-oh.
No, we're not.
We're not good. Don't worry, he doesn't see me. He doesn't see me.
He doesn't see us.
We're good. Come on.
Yep, this might be an area. This looks like an area that this can escape.
I should see what that is.
Here's a door right
Down
here.
once.
I can open this door. I can open this door.
Oh, do it, do it, do it.
How the fuck do you pick the lock?
Oh, so there's like a way that you have to
I see it, I
hold
see it, I see it.
You have
I'm
to-
doing it.
Yeah, yeah, and then you gotta press
Just
it.
keep me
yeah.
covered.
Yep. You're good for now. You're good. He's not here. That other person followed us though, so he might be following them. But we're good for now. We're good for now. Keep going.
Okay, stay calm. Maybe I can find something.
So fucking stressful, dude.
Come on.
I hear the chainsaw! Fuck! Hey, you got a bone scrap, right? You can stab him, right?
Yeah.
Stab that bitch! I'm going as fast as I can. I hear his bitch ass.
Open it.
I'm trying!
Bruh.
My tool broke! My tool broke! My tool broke! Well, I got a new one!
Fuck. Where's
Oh, I'm going. Oh, I'm entering right. No, we're good. We're good. We just gotta go back to that door.
After.
Yeah. I think I hear him.
Shit. Get away. Get away.
Uh-oh. Oh!
Sorry.
Oh, there he is! There he is! He's getting... There's 2 of them! We gotta go. Right here, right here. What is this, bone scraps? Okay, cover me.
Yep. I'm there. Where there's nobody. I got 2 health. I got 2 health.
I got 1.
Okay. Okay. You got this.
See, we're good. I'm gonna stab him. Oh, I see it! There's 2 of them, there's 2 of them. They don't see me, though.
Fuck.
Tyler! Well, I'm gonna stab
No,
one of them. I'm gonna stab one of them.
No.
Oh! Ah! One of them escaped! I got his bitch ass. Run!
I'm healing. I'm healing.
Bruh.
Oh, that shocks me. Fuck! Gots to go. I know he's chasing. Oh, he's on my ass!
Oh no, Leatherface.
He's on my ass!
Leatherface appeared.
Oh! I'm out of stamina. Oh!
No.
They're gonna get me! Ah!
No.
I healed. No!
Okay.
I'm juking their bitch asses. I'm juking them. Woo! You're there. I need help. Ah, fuck.
I'm sorry, bro. I think that's you. Wait, no, I'm here.
That's Leatherface. Dad. There's 3 of them on me. Oh, they got me! They got me! He's enjoying it! Fuck. Angry noises. That's...
Angry.
Instead of, like,
I'm
subtitles,
outside.
it just says angry fucking noises. Alright. I'm looking around.
No, but you can only do it like once every like.
Oh! I found one! Got him! I'm not done yet! I'm still go- Oh my god! Oh my god!
Get one before they get out of the basement. That'd be grand.
I got one, I mean...
Oh, nice!
I chopped his head off with a chainsaw, dude!
Let him bring it to the Gramps. Like, this is the same map, too.
I hear him.
Yeah, it is. It's the same map, so I know.
Found one!
Yes.
Ash. They're getting away, though. They're pretty quick. Oh, you wanna try to juke me out, bitch? Come here! Why are you running?
Why are you running?
Alright, I got maxed out blood. Just gonna go get thing. Oh, he awake.
Got one.
Dudes, take my picture. Oh no, bro.